Have you ever wondered why some people are more successful than others? Well, let me tell you, it's not always about talent, intelligence, or luck. One of the key ingredients to success is something we all have the power to control: our goals. Imagine life as a vast ocean and you're the captain of your ship. Without a destination in mind, the ship would just drift aimlessly, tossed around by the winds and currents. Goals are like the compass that guide your ship, providing clear direction amidst the vastness of the ocean. But goals do more than provide direction. They also fuel our motivation. When we set our eyes on a particular outcome, we are pushing ourselves forward, igniting that spark within us that says, yes, we can do this. It's like setting a challenge for ourselves, and there's nothing quite as satisfying as meeting that challenge head-on and emerging victorious. Now, think about the people who don't set goals. They're like ships without a compass, at the mercy of the wind and the waves. They might get somewhere eventually, but without a clear destination, they're more likely to get lost or give up. But when you set goals, you're giving yourself a roadmap. You're saying, this is where I want to go, and this is how I'm going to get there. You're taking control of your journey rather than leaving it to chance. So, you see, the power of goals lies in their ability to direction, to fuel motivation, and to offer a clear focus on the desired outcome. They're the tools we use to carve our path to success, to turn our dreams into reality. But remember, setting goals is just the first step. The real magic happens when we commit to those goals, when we stay the course despite the challenges and obstacles that come our way. Without goals, you risk sailing through life aimlessly. With them, you set the course for the journey to success. Don't forget to subscribe to Success Weapon for more tips on achieving success. So, how exactly do you set goals that lead to success? Well, one potent method is to use the SMART goal setting framework. This acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help transform nebulous intentions into concrete plans. Let's start with specific. When setting a goal, it's important to be as detailed as possible. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, make it specific, like, I want to be able to run a 5K race in under 30 minutes. This clarity helps to focus your efforts and clearly define what success looks like. Next is measurable. Having a specific goal is great, but how will you know when you've achieved it? By making your goal measurable. In our previous example, the distance of the race and the time target provide clear metrics for measuring progress and success. Then we have achievable. It's crucial to set goals that are challenging yet attainable. If your current best for a 5K race is 45 minutes, aiming for under 30 might be a stretch. An achievable goal could be to shave off 5 minutes from your current best time. Relevant is the next component. Your goals should be relevant to your broader life objectives. If you're aiming to improve your health and fitness, training for a 5K race aligns perfectly. But if your main objective is to learn a new language, running faster might not be the most relevant goal. Lastly, your goals need to be time-bound. Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency and helps to prevent procrastination. So instead of saying, I want to run a 5K race faster, say, I want to run a 5K race in under 35 minutes by the end of next month. By applying the SMART framework, you can set goals that are clear, trackable, realistic, aligned with your bigger picture, and have a defined timeline. This method takes the guesswork out of goal setting and puts you on a clear path to success. Remember, a goal without a timeline is just a dream. Make your goals SMART. While setting goals is crucial, it's equally important to be aware of common mistakes. Now, let's dive into some of the common pitfalls that can hinder our progress in achieving our goals. One of the most common mistakes is setting unrealistic goals. It's great to aim high, but it's essential to keep our feet on the ground. If we set goals that are too high or too ambitious, we risk overwhelming ourselves and subsequently giving up. Instead, it's beneficial to break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This approach not only makes our goals seem more achievable, but also provides us with a clear roadmap to success. The second pitfall is failing to monitor progress. Goals are not set and forget objectives. They require regular check-ins and adjustments. If we don't keep track of our progress, we might miss out on the opportunity to celebrate our small victories along the way. Moreover, monitoring progress helps us identify any roadblocks early and adjust our strategies accordingly. So remember to keep a close eye on your journey and appreciate every step forward. Another common mistake is the lack of commitment. Goals require dedication, persistence, and a whole lot of patience. Sometimes we might face obstacles or experience setbacks. But it's crucial not to let these challenges discourage us. Instead, we should use them as learning opportunities and motivation to work even harder. So commit to your goals and don't be afraid to put in the effort they require. Finally, many of us fall into the trap of setting too many goals at once. While it's great to have multiple objectives, juggling too many at the same time can spread our focus too thin and lead to burnout. Instead, prioritize your goals and tackle them one at a time. This approach allows us to dedicate our full attention and resources to each goal, increasing our chances of success. Avoiding these common mistakes will set you on the right path towards achieving your goals. Remember, goal setting is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, commitment, and a good understanding of these common pitfalls. So keep these tips in mind, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of goal setting. Now that you know how to set goals and avoid common mistakes, you're ready for the journey to success. Embarking on this journey requires more than just a roadmap. It calls for consistency, resilience, and a positive mindset. These are the fuel that will drive you forward even when the road gets bumpy. Consistency is the compass that keeps you on track. It's about showing up every day, putting in the work, and making progress, no matter how small. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Neither are your dreams. They are built brick by brick, day by day, through consistent effort and action. Resilience, on the other hand, is the shock absorber that helps you weather the storms along the way. It's about bouncing back from setbacks, learning from failures, and never giving up. After all, every setback is a setup for a comeback. And then there's the power of a positive mindset. This is the engine that propels you forward. It's about believing in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. It's about visualizing your success and acting as if it's already a reality, because the mind is a powerful thing, and what you believe, you can achieve. Let's take a moment to draw inspiration from some remarkable individuals who achieved success through effective goal setting. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, who made over 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb. But he didn't see these as failures. Instead, he saw them as steps on his journey to success. And eventually, his consistent effort, resilience, and positive mindset led him to his breakthrough. Or think about J.K. Rowling, who went from being a single mother on welfare to becoming one of the world's most successful authors. She set a goal, worked tirelessly towards it, and despite numerous rejections, she never gave up. Her story is a testament to the power of setting and pursuing goals. So, as you set out on your journey to success, remember these stories and the lessons they teach. And most importantly, remember to set your own goals and work towards them with consistency, resilience, and a positive mindset. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. And that journey begins with setting the right goals.